So we have some example here of okay, this is the present tense, but we're going to study simple past or preterit. But for regular verbs, let's compare this verb here because they are the same and one could be used as a model for the other. Tomar and Amar are all first conjugation verbs. They are both regular verbs. They don't change the root or stem does not change. The root or stem does not change. You add the ending, the appropriate ending, o, all the way. And second person, when it's a verb ending in AR, you have as or AS. When it's a verb ending in ER, you have ES. And that's the same with the verb ending with IR. But when it comes to first person singular plural and second person plural, the ER verb and the IR verb differ a little bit. You can see here we have tememos, but here we have vivimos. So it's emos for IR verb and emos for the ER verb. So you can mute, take note of these 6 verbs: Tomar, Amar, Comer, Temer, Vivir, and Partir, and review them later, summarize, and when you see them, you will recognize them, and you can also use them as modal verb for regular verbs that has the same pattern. Okay, so we just compare the present tense over there, and here is the preterit or past, simple past of this verb. If you learn to conjugate Amar in the simple past, at the same time you are learning to conjugate Tomar. Okay, Temer, same as Comer. Partir, same as Vivir. Okay, so here is ame, which means yo ame. Tú amaste. Él amo. Nosotros amamos. Vosotros amasteis. Ellos amaron. So you have the root is the same. You just add the ending to the root. Same for Tomar. Here you have temi, temiste, temio, temimos, temisteis, temieron. And then you have the same thing for comer. Parti, partiste, partio, partimos, partisteis, partieron. And you have the same thing for vivir. So knowing one of these verbs is knowing the other. So you can use either of them as a model of the other. If you've learned something from this mini lesson, please like the video and share it with friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can keep creating more content for you. Thank you so much. By the way, do you know the fastest route to become a bilingual nurse or physician? Learn specific medical Spanish. And we have a course that will help you do just that. To get the course, go to RxLinguistics.com.